Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your controller on your Xbox One not charging. Now, the first thing you want to do is make sure that your controller is up to date. So we want to go to Settings, and then go on down to Devices and Connections. Go to Controller and Headsets. Then go to the three little dots on your controller, and just make sure your controller is up to date. Now, another thing that you could try is resetting your controller. So I'm going to hold down the sync button right here. And after about 10 seconds, your controller will vibrate and will turn off, and we will have to reconnect it to our Xbox One. So I'm going to feel 2 vibrations now, and my controller will shut off, and I'll have to press the Xbox button to turn it back on and resync it by pressing and holding down the sync button at the same time as my Xbox One sync button. You could try connecting it with a USB cable, so plug a USB cable into the front of the Xbox One just like this, and then plug the other end into the controller. Then press the Xbox button, and it should reconnect, and it is solid light now. So you could also use this to charge your controller if you have the play and recharge kit. Otherwise, you want to make sure that the cable you're using is a good cable. So you could try using a different cable if that's not working. Otherwise, you could try plugging it directly into the front of the Xbox One in this USB port right here. Or maybe try a different power source by connecting it directly to a wall outlet and a phone charger. And do the same thing for the batteries. If you remove the batteries, make sure you are using batteries that are fully charged. Then look at the plus symbols on the inside right here. So this says plus. Then look at the plus icon on the battery, and make sure the plus icon is near the plus icon on the back of the controller. Then the opposite end is going to say negative, and you want to go ahead and put the negative end near the negative end on the controller. So they're going to be completely flipped around on here. So you can see there's a plus icon to the right, and then there's a plus icon to the left. So just look at the little symbols in the controller. So I suggest finding some good batteries, and then plugging in your controller directly to the front of the USB port right here, and then just see if that works. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.